Hey, what's up guys? I really wanted to share this with you because I'm just getting back from a vacation up in Playa del Carmen, Mexico, and we're out there, we're making money. The thing is, I want to turn your vacation into a paid-cation. Now, not that long ago, I was traveling around the world and I was always looking for a way that I could make money. I wanted to find that side hustle, that way that I could become that internet entrepreneur. That's why I wanted to share this with you today, is I found something, a very easy side hack that you can definitely get yourself involved with, that you can start today and you can make commissions up to $2,000 all the way up to $16,500. Now, I know that there's a lot of stuff out there, there's a lot of gimmicks, there's a lot of BS out there as well, but I really want you to take a look at the link in the bio to see if this is something for you, to see if you can get started making 2K today. So if you are looking to get something started today, click that link in the bio, make sure that you go through the description, look at what it is that we've got going on, turn your vacation into a paid-cation.